Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Dalal Street Week Ahead program sponsored by Delta Dot Exchange. So I'm still in Dubai. So tonight I'll be flying back to India. So tomorrow the normal videos will be played. So kindly bear with us. So today also it's a podcast. First thing is that, on Friday morning, Thursday evening also I said, if any particular month, so if it is closing very badly and closing at the lowest end of the series, probably probability of the following day rally is very, very high. But the fact is that despite the global markets are very bad, and despite SGX Nifty indicating 150 point down, we did see a very decent rally after the RBI policy. So this shows that history repeats. Generally, October month is considered as a bullish month, and the December month is dominated by bears. So these bears will be, many times October month is too bullish, and these bears, had to run for cover. And many times in Indian markets, we hit all-time high around the last week of October or first week of December, November. Means like probably during the Deepavali time. Therefore, we can be a little bit optimistic, so we don't have to be so pessimistic in the month of October. And however, there are some signs. And the global markets, they left, right, and center. They were increasing the interest rate, they were tightening the economy. And you see, the last week there was a first sign. UK announced that they'll be buying some bonds, and although it was good, but then again that market was sold into. In fact, even the global markets also came under more selling pressure after that news. And now, yesterday there was a report so that said that Fed is having some meeting on Monday, and some people who are optimists, so they were saying it is an emergency meeting. But some people who are still pessimist, so they say that this is not an emergency meeting. So this is an unscheduled meeting. A number of times in the past also, this kind of unscheduled meeting has happened. But what is more important is that this time an unscheduled Fed meeting is happening while the markets are crashing, and people thought market will fall, but people did not think that June low will be broken. So now the June low was broken in all three indices: S&P 500, Nasdaq, and Dow. And so they're all trading at 52-week low. And in the month of September alone, Nasdaq has fallen 10%. I think Dow and S&P also about 9-10% it has fallen. And $3.3 trillion of wealth has been wiped out in just 1 month. Moreover, in the month of November, there are some midterm elections in US, so the people may try to do something. And if unscheduled meeting, so if there is some kind of a signal for bulls, markets are extremely oversold in US, and I think US markets are falling on a day-to-day basis, no matter what happens. Sometime when Asian markets are recovering, US futures are recovering, but at the end of the day, it is falling. Even I think on Friday also, I think not only Friday, the many days, US market opened, Dow opened plus 200, plus 300, but ending up uniformly minus 200, minus 300. There are many institutions started warning about the Fed behavior. Many times, Indian markets have preempted the world markets on the higher side also and lower side also. So on Friday, there was a very, very decent rally. Nifty closed above 17,100. But however, on Friday night, US markets fell. So SGX Nifty has fallen once again below 17,000. But we do not know what kind of effect on Monday morning we are going to see about this unscheduled Fed meeting. The auto sales data have come, so it seems that auto sales, it's a very decent figures. So we have to see how the auto stocks will be reacting. I think many auto stocks have fallen in the last few days. And again, this is a fresh month. You will have a manufacturing PMI index, service PMI index. Then on Friday, US jobs data. Then, the second week we will have inflation data, IAP data. So all those kind of things. So hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.